Hey, boys and girls, here we are, day 12 in our November daily math. Number 1, write the number. 5 ones, 6 hundreds. So here's our 5 ones, here's our 6 hundreds. Not so much? You're correct. That is not right. That says 65 right now. How about 0 tens? Now we have 6 hundreds and 5 ones. Yeah. All right, let's go to number 2. 85 plus 72 plus 235. So we're going to say 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus the 2 more is 12. So our 2 goes down here and our 1 goes up there. Now I have a 7 and a 3. That makes a 10. Okay, so 7 and 3 make 10. 18, 19. 2 and 1 is 3. 392. I like how you are making those connections and finding those numbers that go together. They have that relationship and they make 10. That's excellent. Okay, number 3 says, tell me please, since you're so wise, why do owls have such large eyes? Don't look now, but I'll give you the answer in a few days. Write your answer here. Take a guess. Why do owls have such large eyes? To see in the dark. That's my guess. Right? They're nocturnal. So they don't fly into a barn or hit a tree branch. To see better in the dark. That would hurt a lot, flying and just go boom right into the trunk of a tree, right? Ow. Okay, number 4. There's Victor, Max, and Jerry. How many total stickers do Victor and Max have? Well, Jerry's not even in the problem. Poor Jerry. Or is it Gary? I'm thinking Jerry. How many total stickers do Victor and Max have? So each little dot makes 2, right? So Victor has, let's count by 2s, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 for Victor. Max has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And how many total stickers? So how many do both of those two have? 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. 26 stickers. Okay, this says complete the table. And we're doing our times 5s right now. So we have 8 times 5 or 5 times 8. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Times 3, 5, 10, 15. That'd be 5 less than 8, but let's do it anyways. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And 5 times 1 is 5. Awesome. Boys, girls, thank you so much. Have a great rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow.